Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in this vast universe? It's a question that has fascinated humanity since the dawn of time. Our universe is a vast, almost incomprehensible expanse filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with countless stars. And around those stars, a multitude of planets, each with the potential to harbor life. Yet despite its immense size and age, despite the multitudes of worlds it contains, the universe remains silent. No signals, no messages, no signs of life beyond our own little blue planet. Could it be that we are truly alone in this cosmic ocean? Or is it possible that life in various forms exists scattered throughout the universe, hidden in its farthest corners, waiting to be discovered? But what if this silence from the cosmos isn't a sign of emptiness, but something far more ominous? Enter the dark forest hypothesis, a chilling theory that paints a grim picture of our universe. Imagine, if you will, a vast, limitless expanse filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. This is our universe, a cosmic forest shrouded in mystery and darkness. Now let's bring the dark forest hypothesis into this picture. The dark forest hypothesis likens the universe to a dark forest. In this forest, civilizations are like hunters. They move quietly, stealthily, always on guard. Why? Because like in any dark forest on Earth, there's a fear of the unknown, a fear of a more advanced predator lurking in the shadows. These civilizations, including ours, are like small, timid creatures, scurrying around in the underbrush trying to remain undetected. We whisper into the cosmos with our radio signals, hoping to make contact, yet fearing what might answer back. Because in this dark forest, silence is not just golden, it's a matter of survival. Every civilization out there understands the same harsh truth. To reveal oneself, to send out a loud, clear signal, is to invite danger. It's like lighting a fire in the darkness. It may keep the immediate threats at bay, but it also draws attention to your location. And in a universe potentially filled with advanced civilizations, some of which could be predatory, that's a risk no one wants to take. So, we stay quiet. We listen, we watch, we explore ever so carefully. Because in this dark forest, the hunter can quickly become the hunted. In this cosmic game of hide and seek, the stakes are as high as they can get. It's not just about winning or losing. It's about existence itself. This is the essence of the dark forest hypothesis. It's a theory that paints the universe not as a place of wonder and exploration, but as a terrifying, silent battleground where the only rule is survival of the quietest. But how does this theory hold up when we introduce the concept of berserkers? In this silent, dark forest of a universe, imagine the existence of berserkers. Picture this: autonomous war machines not bound by compassion or morality, programmed with a singular purpose: to obliterate life-bearing planets. This is the essence of the Berserker Hypothesis. The concept of berserkers comes from the realm of science fiction, but it's a hypothesis that can't be easily dismissed. Named after the fierce warriors of Norse legend, these hypothetical machines would roam the cosmos, seeking out signs of life and extinguishing it without a second's hesitation. The chilling logic behind their creation is simple. In a universe where life is rare, each new civilization poses a potential threat. The best way to ensure survival, then, would be to eliminate these threats before they have a chance to become a problem. But why would civilizations choose to stay silent in the face of such a threat? The answer lies in the nature of the berserkers themselves. These machines, once launched, would be virtually unstoppable. They wouldn't need to rest or refuel, and their programming would prevent them from showing mercy or making exceptions. In such a scenario, drawing attention to oneself would be tantamount to suicide. This is where the dark forest theory and the Berserker Hypothesis intersect. The dark forest theory posits that civilizations remain quiet to avoid detection by other, potentially hostile life forms. The berserkers provide a chillingly plausible reason for this silence. By keeping quiet, civilizations hope to avoid the attention of these relentless machines, buying themselves time to grow and hopefully find a way to defend themselves. So we find ourselves in a universe that might be full of life, yet eerily silent. A universe where the fear of detection keeps civilizations hidden like animals in a dark forest, too afraid to make a sound. This paints a rather grim picture, doesn't it? But could there be any truth to it? While it's a chilling scenario, there are some signs that might point towards the dark forest. Berserker Hypothesis being a possibility. The Fermi paradox, named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, highlights a contradiction in our understanding of the universe. Given the vast number of stars and planets out there, it seems almost certain that intelligent life should exist elsewhere. Yet, we've received no signals, no visits, no evidence. This silence from the cosmos is deafening and puzzling, prompting Fermi to famously ask, "Where is everybody?" Enter the dark forest. Berserker Hypothesis. This theory suggests that civilizations might be intentionally silent, hiding from potential predators. It's a chilling prospect, but one that could explain the eerie quiet of the universe. There are other indirect pieces of evidence that lend credence to this hypothesis. For instance, the Great Filter theory. This concept suggests that there's a barrier or a series of barriers that prevent civilizations from surviving and communicating long enough to be noticed by others. This could be anything from self-destruction through war or environmental collapse to some unknown cosmic event. Another intriguing piece of indirect evidence is the concept of the zoo hypothesis. This idea posits that advanced civilizations know about us, but have chosen not to interfere, much like zookeepers with animals. It's a sobering thought to imagine ourselves as mere exhibits in a cosmic zoo. Furthermore, the development of our own civilization could be seen as evidence. Our rapid technological advancement in the past few centuries, from the first flight to landing on the moon, could be a cause for concern for other civilizations. They might view us as potential threats, further reinforcing the need for silence in the cosmic wilderness. However, it's important to remember that these are just theories, intriguing as they may be. They offer potential solutions to the Fermi paradox and some explanation for the silence of the universe. But they are, at the end of the day, speculations born out of our quest to understand our place in the cosmos. However, these are all still theories and speculations with no concrete proof. The dark forest, Berserker Hypothesis if true, has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. This hypothesis, unsettling as it may be, pushes us to reconsider our role and strategy as a spacefaring civilization. It forces us to question whether we are prudent or simply naive in our attempts to reach out to the cosmos. Let's start with the philosophical implications. If the universe is indeed a dark forest, filled with predatory civilizations, it challenges our perception of life beyond Earth. It suggests a universe not of star-trekking adventurers, but of silent watchers, each wary of revealing their existence to potential predators. This paints a rather grim picture, one that is in stark contrast to our hopeful visions of friendly alien encounters. Then, there are practical implications. Should we continue to broadcast our presence into the cosmos like a beacon in the night, or should we instead strive to remain undetected? If the dark forest, Berserker Hypothesis holds true, it might be wise for us to dim our lights, so to speak, and tread cautiously in our cosmic neighborhood. Moreover, this hypothesis adds a new dimension to our space exploration endeavors. It's not just about the technological challenges anymore, but also about survival strategies. We might need to focus on stealth technologies, or devise ways to detect potential threats before they detect us. We might need to rethink our approach to space exploration, treating it not just as a journey of discovery, but also as a game of cosmic hide-and-seek. In a universe where silence might be golden, our noisy attempts to reach out might be our downfall. This is not to say that we should abandon our quest for extraterrestrial life, but rather that we should proceed with caution, with an understanding of the potential risks involved. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it might be best to stay quiet in the dark forest of the cosmos. The universe is a mystery, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. We've delved into the chilling dark forest hypothesis, painting a universe full of potential threats lurking in the cosmic shadows. We've explored the Berserker Hypothesis, where autonomous war machines might be patrolling the galaxies, ready to silence any civilization that dares to reveal its location. We've looked into the evidence that might support these theories and pondered on their implications. Could we be alone? Are we in danger? Or are these theories simply the product of our human imagination, influenced by our own history and fears? These are not facts, but speculations based on our current understanding of the universe. The truth, as always with the cosmos, remains elusive. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we can only hope to unravel these mysteries one star at a time.